In the next 7 minutes, you'll watch a pocket-thin light turn night to noon, a coffee mug mount an AR handle, and a rail-mounted brain call your shot before you squeeze it. The twist: the smallest gadget might save your life. From chaos to control, these 30 Amazon-ready next-level military tools turn everyday problems into solved missions. NITECORE EDC-27 Slim Rechargeable EDC Flashlight. Ultra slim and pocket flat, the EDC-27 gives you tactical power without bulk. Its rugged reinforced body, deep carry clip, and fast side switches make one-handed operation easy under pressure. USB-C charging keeps it mission ready, and multiple modes, including turbo and strobe, adapt from everyday carry to emergency response. It's designed for heat management and sustained output with a tail stand and lockout to prevent accidental activation. Bottom line, a discreet light that punches above its size, perfect for duty use, glove box backup, or a minimalist EDC kit where reliability matters. OLIGHT Warrior 3 S Tactical Flashlight. Built for hard use, the Warrior 3S pairs a tail cap tactical switch with a side switch for precise control. A proximity sensor automatically steps output down when the light is too close to an object. Smart safety for real-world tasks. Magnetic charging snaps on fast, while the aggressive bezel, durable aluminum body, and two-way clip keep it field-ready. With multiple brightness levels and a rapid access turbo, it's ideal for searches, home defense, or patrol. A dependable, modern duty light with thoughtful features that actually help under stress. Vortex M-Pact 4000 rail-mounted ballistic rangefinder. Turn your rifle into a data-driven solution. The M-Pact 4000 mounts to your rail and feeds you range, environmental, and ballistic info without breaking position. Pair it via Bluetooth to the GeoBallistics app, store multiple rifle profiles, and let onboard sensors handle the variables. Built to take recoil and weather, it's compact, rugged, and fast to deploy with intuitive controls. For hunters and long-range shooters, this replaces guesswork with repeatable dope, saving time, rounds, and missed opportunities. It's a true force multiplier for precision in the field. Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. A proven full-tang workhorse, the StrongArm blends a tough, corrosion-resistant blade with a grippy rubberized handle for confident control in wet or cold conditions. The modular MOLLE-compatible sheath supports multiple carry positions, vertical, horizontal, or drop leg, so it fits your kit, not the other way around. With a durable finish and field-serviceable design, it handles camp chores, emergency tasks, and defensive roles without complaint. It's popular because it's honest, strong, versatile, and dependable when tools can't fail. A go-to fixed blade for service members and outdoorsmen alike. CRKT Provoke Kinematic Folding Knife. The Provoke's kinematic mechanism is the star, a morphing karambit that deploys from a closed pocket-safe slab to locked open with a natural thumb press. The result is fast, controlled one-hand action without the usual pocket snag. A robust blade and purpose-built finger ring deliver secure retention, while the low-profile clip carries discreetly. Built with premium materials and overbuilt hardware, it's tactical innovation you can actually use. If you want a compact defensive blade that's also a conversation-worthy piece of engineering, the Provoke hits that sweet spot. Kershaw Blur S35 1670 S30V Folding Knife. Made in the USA and tuned for daily hard use, the Blur packs premium S30V steel for edge retention with Kershaw's SpeedSafe assisted opening for quick, confident deployment. TrackTech grip inserts lock your hand in, even when wet or gloved, and the reversible pocket clip supports practical carry. The blade shape balances slicing and piercing, making it equally at home breaking down boxes or handling camp prep. The Blur is popular because it delivers pro-level performance at a workman's price. Reliable, fast, and easy to maintain. Streamlight ProTac Rail Mount HL X Pro USB. A do-it-all rifle light, the HL X Pro USB ships with a rail mount, remote switch, and a USB rechargeable power pack, plus dual fuel compatibility for flexibility. High output for positive ID, lower modes for admin tasks, and proven Streamlight durability make it a trusted choice on carbines and shotguns. The remote pressure pad provides momentary constant options without shifting your grip, while simple tactile controls work with gloves. It's the one-box, ready-to-mount solution that saves time and delivers reliable, repeatable performance for range days or duty use. Pelican 7600 Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. Pelican built the 7600 for professionals who need a tough, rechargeable light that just works. White, red, and green outputs support night vision, traffic control, or stealth tasks, while mode memory brings you back to your preferred setting. The anodized aluminum body and sealed construction stand up to weather and abuse, and the USB charging port keeps it topped off from a vehicle or power bank. With smart output levels and reliable runtime, it's a great crossover light, equally effective for patrol, work sites, vehicle kits, and travel. SureFire G2X Pro dual output LED flashlight. Simple, bomb-proof, and bright. The G2X Pro uses SureFire's proven tail cap to deliver instant momentary or click-on with high-low outputs. No complicated UIs here. The lightweight nitrilon body shrugs off impact and weather, while the optic is tuned for a clean hotspot with useful spill. Powered by easy-to-find CR123A batteries, it's ready after months in a drawer or duty bag. This is the quintessential, trust it when it counts, handheld. Perfect as a glove box light, backup duty torch, or home emergency tool that won't quit under pressure. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The classic pack light emergency filter, LifeStraw lets you drink directly from streams, lakes, or bottles by removing waterborne bacteria and protozoa. It's simple, no batteries, no moving parts, just sip and go, making it a staple for hikers, travelers, and disaster kits. Ultra-light and compact, it disappears in a pocket until you need it most. Whether you're building a 72-hour bag or want just-in-case capability on day hikes, LifeStraw offers peace of mind at minimal weight and cost. It's the definition of practical insurance for the outdoors. GRAYL UltraPress 16.9-ounce water purifier bottle. Press, drink, move. GRAYL's UltraPress combines bottle and purifier, delivering fast, one-hand viral, bacterial, and protozoan protection. Great for travel, backcountry, or sketchy taps. Fill the outer shell, press the inner cartridge, and you've got clean water in seconds. No hoses or squeezing. The replaceable purifier handles particulates and improves taste, while the tough bottle stands up to daily carry. For creators on the go, adventurers, or anyone building a compact go bag, this is an elegant, field-friendly solution that removes hassle and adds real capability in uncertain water situations. Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System. Boil fast, eat sooner. The Flash is a compact, integrated cook system optimized for speed. Perfect for coffee, freeze-dried meals, and quick lunches. The insulated cup locks onto the burner, improving efficiency and safety, while the color change heat indicator takes guesswork out of the boil. An auto-igniter fires reliably, and the whole system nests small with room for a fuel canister, sold separately. Whether you're on a ridgeline or tailgate, the Flash saves time, fuel, and pack space. Exactly what you want from a grab-and-go stove. BioLite CampStove 2 Plus. Turn twigs into power. The CampStove 2 Plus burns sticks, pine cones, or pellets and converts heat into usable electricity to charge headlamps or phones while you cook. A built-in battery and multi-speed fan create a clean, efficient burn with less smoke. And the included LED flex light makes nighttime cooking easy. It all packs down neatly for travel. In emergencies or minimalist adventures, not relying on fuel canisters is a huge advantage. This stove is clever, sustainable, and field practical. Exactly the kind of innovation that earns a permanent spot in your kit. Mechanix wear M-Pact tactical gloves. M-Pacts are the do-everything gloves trusted on ranges, job sites, and deployments. Thermoplastic rubber, TPR guards, help shield knuckles and fingers, while impact-absorbing palm padding takes the sting out of recoil and hard use. The synthetic leather palm provides durable grip, and the breathable construction keeps hands cooler during long sessions. Hook and loop cuffs secure fast and stay put. From weapons handling to wrenching, they deliver control, comfort, and protection at a price that makes sense. An easy upgrade over disposable work gloves you'll burn through quickly. Howard Leight Impact Sport Electronic Earmuff. These low-profile electronic muffs amplify ambient sound for clear commands and range awareness, then compress harmful noise to help protect your hearing. Slim cups maintain a good cheek weld on long guns, and the folding design packs easily in a range bag. With simple controls, AUX input for devices, and long battery life on common AAA cells, they're a proven value for training, competitions, or backyard plinking. If you want hearing protection that actually improves your experience on the line, Impact Sport Muffs are a smart buy. 3. M-PELTOR Tactical 500 Bluetooth Hearing Protector. Purpose-built for modern ranges, the Tactical 500 blends high impact hearing protection with smart connectivity. Dynamic suppression reacts to gunfire to help reduce hazardous noise while preserving ambient sound so you can hear range commands and conversation. Dual omnidirectional mics enhance situational awareness. And onboard Bluetooth lets you take calls or stream audio without removing your muffs. Low-profile cups, comfortable cushions, and a padded headband make all-day wear easy, and the folding design packs small. Rugged construction and intuitive controls make this a reliable, feature-rich upgrade for serious training days. 5.11 Tactical Rush 24 2.0 Backpack. The updated Rush 24 2.0 is a 24-hour pack with pro-grade organization and durability. Built from tough, water-resistant 1050D nylon, it offers approximately 37 liters of capacity with a padded laptop sleeve, concealed carry compartment, fleece-lined eyewear pocket, and a full admin panel up front. MOL 5.1 1 hex grid. Registered trademark attachment points. Let you expand for mission-specific loadouts, while compression straps and a reinforced grab handle keep everything tight. Ergonomic shoulder straps and a contoured yoke distribute weight for comfort. It's the one-bag solution that handles range days, duty rotations, travel, and everyday carry without breaking a sweat. 5.11 Tactical Strike Pants. Strike pants are the range to rough work MVP. The secret is 5.11's Flex-Tac registered trademark mechanical stretch ripstop with a stain and soil-resistant finish, so they move with you and shrug off spills. 12 well-placed pockets, including angled cargo and mag knife slots, keep essentials organized. Reinforced knees, pad ready, a gusseted crotch, Vortex stress points, and durable YKK registered trademark zips. Prim registered trademark snaps deliver all-day durability. The waistband flexes for comfort under belts or kit. Whether you're drilling, traveling, or wrenching in the garage, Stryke gives you that rare combo of mobility, toughness, and clean professional look that holds up everywhere. RHINO Rescue IFAK Trauma First Aid Kit. This compact IFAK is a mission-ready trauma solution in a rugged rip-away mola pouch for fast one-hand deployment. Inside, organized elastic loops and mesh pockets secure critical tools. Tourniquet, pressure bandage, compressed gauze, tape, trauma shears, nitrile gloves, and marker, so you can grab what you need under stress. High visibility pull handle, reflective accents, and durable zippers enhance speed and reliability. Mount it to a plate carrier, range bag, or vehicle headrest, and you've got immediate access to life-saving essentials. For training or real emergencies, it's a smart, affordable upgrade to every loadout and go bag. North American Rescue CAT Gen 7 Tourniquet. The industry standard for a reason. The Gen 7 CAT features a single routing buckle for faster application, a textured aluminum windlass for strong mechanical advantage, and a stabilization clip that locks pressure in place. High contrast timing strap helps track application time, and the red tip aids quick threading in low light. Designed for one-handed use and built to rigorous military specs, it's compact, lightweight, and trusted by first responders worldwide. If you carry only one hemorrhage control tool, make it the CAT. Proven, simple, and capable of stopping life-threatening extremity bleeding when seconds matter. Garmin Instinct 2 X Solar Tactical Edition. Engineered to MIL STD 810 with 10 ATM water rating, the Instinct 2 X Solar Tactical brings serious durability and endurance. Solar charging, a built-in LED flashlight with strobe, and multiband GNSS deliver dependable navigation day or night. Tactical specific modes: stealth, night vision compatibility, jump master, dual position GPS formatting, and a kill switch. Support mission profiles. Track heart rate, sleep, VO2 max, and recovery to optimize training. Smart notifications and Garmin Pay add daily utility. For operators, adventurers, and anyone who demands rugged reliability with week-spanning battery life, this is the do-everything tool watch that won't tap out. 1 Tigris Tactical Dog Harness. Turn your working K9 into a mission-ready teammate. This 1 Tigris harness uses heavy-duty nylon with reinforced stitching, breathable mesh, and generous padding for comfort on long tracks. 4 quick-release buckles and adjustable straps dial in a secure fit, while front and back leash points plus a sturdy top handle give you confident control. MOLI panels and loop fields let you mount pouches or ID patches for medkits, bowls, or GPS. Whether you're hiking, training, or on duty, it's a rugged, no-pull platform that keeps your dog comfortable and your loadout organized. OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro Rechargeable EDC. Flat, pocket-friendly, and wildly versatile, the Arkfeld Pro packs 3 tools in one: a powerful white light flashlight, a green pointer for signaling presentations, and a 365 nanometers UV for ID checks or gear inspection. The central selector ring and side switch make mode changes intuitive, while lockout prevents accidental activation. A magnetic tail and 2-way clip expand carry and hands-free options, and the MCC charging puck keeps it topped up fast. For everyday carry, travel, and fieldwork, it's a clever, compact powerhouse that earns its pocket space every single day. NITECORE Teeny 2500 lumen USB-C keychain light. Don't let the size fool you. Teeny 2 throws serious light from a thumb-size body. Dual LEDs hit a blistering turbo burst for quick checks. while an OLED display shows battery, mode, and remaining runtime at a glance. 2-button interface with lockout prevents pocket activations. USB-C recharge readies it for the next mission. The metal build and keyring loop handle daily abuse, and multiple brightness levels make it equally useful for map reading, campsite tasks, or emergency signaling. If you want real performance on your keys, this is the tiny torch that delivers. NITECORE NU25 UL 400 Lumen Ultralight Headlamp. Featherweight, feature heavy. The NU25 UL trims grams without sacrificing capability. Dual beam spot plus flood for near and far visibility. Red light to preserve night vision, and simple top button control. The USB-C rechargeable cell keeps things light and convenient, while the minimalist, breathable headband distributes weight comfortably for runners and backpackers. Tilt adjustment dials in your working angle, and lockout prevents accidental activation in your pack. For pre-dawn starts, hut approaches, or hands-free camp chores, this headlamp hits the sweet spot of brightness, runtime, and comfort for ultralight kits and everyday readiness. Goal Zero Nomad 5 Portable Solar Panel. Keep your essentials charged off-grid. The Nomad 5 is a compact 5-watt panel with an adjustable kickstand for optimal sun angle and a rugged, weather-resistant build for trail life. Plug phones, headlamps, or power banks into the integrated USB-A port, or pair it with Goal Zero's Flip Guide 10 for a tidy solar kit. It's light enough to lash to a pack and durable enough for overlanding dashboards. When weight matters and you just need steady trickle power for small devices, this panel is a simple, dependable solution for days outside. Anker Solix F1200 Powerhouse 757 Portable Power Station, big energy, grab and go form. The Solix F1200 packs a 1229 watts per hour. Life PO4 battery with long cycle life and a rock-solid 1500 watt AC inverter. Surge headroom for tools and appliances. 6 AC outlets, fast USB-C and USB-A ports, and a 12-volt car socket cover home backups, road trips, and job sites. Anker's rapid recharge technology gets you back to 80% fast, while a robust chassis and integrated handle make transport easy. Pair with solar panels for sustainable power in the field. It's a reliable, quiet alternative to gas generators when you need real watts now. Garmin Vortex 701 Ballistic Edition. The Vortex 701 BE brings wrist-mounted navigation and onboard ballistics to serious shooters and professionals. Built to mill STD 810 for heat, shock, and water resistance. It supports GPS GLONASS Galileo for resilient positioning. The integrated Applied Ballistics Elite Solver helps calculate firing solutions right on your wrist, while night vision goggle compatibility preserves your dark adaptation. Long battery life and breadcrumb trackback routing keep you on mission, and large glove-friendly buttons make operation intuitive in any weather. For long-range hunts, patrols, or austere training, it's a compact nav ballistic tool you can trust when it counts. Streamlight TLR-1 HL1000 Lumen Rail Mounted Tactical Weapon Light, a proven duty-grade weapon light. The TLR-1 HL delivers a blinding high-output beam for fast target identification and control. The robust aluminum body, IPX7 water resistance, and shock-isolated electronics stand up to recoil and rough handling. Ambidextrous paddle switches enable momentary and constant on, with a programmable strobe for signaling or disorientation. It clamps securely to most railed handguns and long guns with included rail keys, and runs on 2 CR123A batteries you can find anywhere. If you need dependable illumination on a defensive platform, this is a rock-solid, widely supported choice. Condor Modular Chest Set, a budget-friendly rig that punches above its weight, the Condor Modular Chest Set arrives mission-ready. Integrated magazine cells up front keep rifle mags organized, while MOLLE webbing lets you add admin, radio, or med pouches where you want them. Padded, adjustable shoulder straps and a crossback harness distribute weight comfortably, and quick release buckles make donning fast. A rear pocket accepts a hydration bladder for sustained ops. For training, range days, or lightweight patrol work, this chest rig offers a flexible, expandable platform without the premium price tag. Great value for new loadouts. That's the roster, 30 next-level tools built to turn chaos into control. If one of these gadgets earned a spot in your kit, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more mission-ready drops. Share this video with the teammate who watches your 6 and comment below. Which piece is your must-carry and what should we test next? Your feedback fuels the next mission. See you on the next op.